In our modern, fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome constant. But what if I told you that there's a simple solution to alleviate some of this stress? Yes, that's right, maid services. They are the key to a stress-free living. Imagine coming home after a long day at work. The last thing you want to do is clean your house, right? With maid services, you won't have to. Your home will be spotless, allowing you to relax and unwind. Now, you might be thinking, I can clean my own house. Why should I pay someone else to do it? Well, consider this. The time you spend cleaning can be better spent doing things you love. Whether it's spending time with family, pursuing a hobby, or simply getting some much-needed rest. Also, let's not forget about the quality of cleaning. Professional maid services have the tools and expertise to clean your home in a way that you might not be able to. They can reach those hard-to-reach areas, and they know how to properly clean different surfaces and materials. In conclusion, hiring a maid service can significantly reduce your stress levels. It allows you to have more free time, live in a cleaner environment, and ultimately enjoy a higher quality of life. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much of a difference it can make.